guys, and welcome back. Well, I came down on a short little vacation down in North Myrtle Beach, but unfortunately with Hurricane Florence, we are being evacuated. Boo. Boo. So I am going back almost home. I'm gonna stop at a spot in Virginia and hang out for a few days with the family, of course. So I actually had a few people that wanted to meet up so that way I could have seen their BMWs, we could have talked about it. They're a long-time subscriber actually of mine, and unfortunately I'm not able to do that, which kind of sucks because I was wanting to do that too and spend some time with you guys. So I saw lots of cars down here, of course. Got to spend a few great days with the family, but things happen, and we're just gonna go ahead and move on. Well, I'm actually gonna be going up to Roanoke, Virginia. I'm gonna be spending a few days up there. So if you guys are actually close in that area, let me know in the comment section below, and then I'll be heading back to Delaware, Ohio to, get back to the normal grind. Well, a lot of new things coming up. A bunch of parts actually waiting for me at my house right this second, so I'm excited to get back as well. Get some more DIY videos out for you guys. And as always, hope you guys enjoy your time, and I'll see you soon.